Cornelius fights bully at school.
Hi, Mom! I'll fight this bully. I'm gonna fight this bully! I'm gonna fight this my bully! Ah! Okay, we're gonna say Candyman 3 times and see if he comes, alright? Alright. Candyman. 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 Candyman! Wait, is that Candyman? Какой прикольный день.
Стоп.
А?
Залази в рюкзак.
Нет.
Залази.
Ай! Нет.
Залезай.
Понял. Залажу.
Вот это классно, в рюкзак поместился.
Ты чё, моего брата продал?
Нет.
Ты его продал, я видел все.
Нет, пошел туда.
Нет, иди нахер. Понял. Хотя, нет, я не пойду. Ладно. И что тут надо делать? А? Нет, что за мелодия?
SpongeBob SquarePants toothpaste to clean my teeth.
Y'all want to lock a door? I got you. Let's get into it right now. Wait, who's this?
Want to see my PP again?
Free glasses! The code is spooky glasses. If you guys already know how to use that code, get out of here and go unlock your free cosmetic. Otherwise, stick around and I'll show you how to unlock it. You see that computer over there? Go ahead and hop over to that computer. You're going to hit this button right here, program. Hit it one time. You should see on the screen it says promo.exe. Type in that code right there, spooky glasses, on the screen, spooky glasses. Just hit enter and then you get it. I already redeemed it, so it doesn't matter. But that's all you got to type in. And that's all you got to do. It's as easy as that. Thanks everybody for participating in the event. It was a great time for everybody. Stick around through the holidays. We'll have a bunch more awesome, similar events for you guys to participate in. Discord.gg/Animal Company.
Homespin. Yo, dude. Bubba or 10K. Here. This party is so fire. How was the buzz ball?
I know. The balloons are popping, but this party's fire.
Did you know you just lost $1 million for a buzz ball?
That's okay. Buzz ball.
Here, drink this. It's totally not poison.
Oh my god, is that my grandma? Is my grandmother's favorite eyeball soup? Oh, those delicious.
Now eat the eyeballs.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Did you know that's fake money, right?
Remember, the asteroid that ended the dinosaurs was technically the highest ratio of killing birds to one stone in Earth's history. Until we meet again!
Oh, bro, what are you doing?
Yo, what's up, man? I just got my new car. It's pretty cool. Yo, I bet you $50 I won't go up that ramp right there.
You won't.
Watch a master.
Yo, I'm not. Oh, no.
Alright, dude, looks like we're looking at some modern art here. This has got to be some good art right here. What's this supposed to be? Okay. Well, I'm sure that's nothing. I'm sure there's got to be some better stuff here. You've got to be kidding me. This can't be it. What about over here? I mean, what about this? I'm actually about to nuke this place. And when I mean it, I mean it.
Alright, good night, sweetie.
Alright, good night, Grandma.
Animal Company update is coming out very soon. And you're probably wondering, why am I on the moon? Well, there's actually a ton of different reasons why. Well, if you guys did not see the new loading screen, I'll show it up right here. So you'll see that the moon map is broken up into several different pieces. So why? Well, a really popular theory currently is OG map is actually coming back, which I know may be very exciting for me and a lot more other players. Well, we're gonna have to wait a little bit, but let me know what your predictions are about the moon map.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe.
I swear, dude. School's just giving me extra work on purpose. What the? Alright, class, this is how you solve 1 times 1. So basically, all you want to do is just you want to take this one. Dude, I could be doing so much other stuff than this. I wonder how my friend is doing at home. Probably on his phone scrolling by now. I don't know why he had these things. What? That is how you solve the most hardest problem in the world. Any questions? Oh, come on. Whoa. Calm down, buddy. There's no need to get rational here. Let's just solve this together. So it just goes 1 times 1.
Cut it, bro. I'm gonna escape, bro. I'm gonna escape, bro. I'm gonna escape.
I hate you!
Time for sleep.
Why'd you kill me?
Wait, guys, he's sleeping.
He's sleeping? Guys, he's sleeping.
Yo, no way. Guys, come here. Come on.
Oh, what the hell?
There's no way you actually
Guys, he's up.
Oh.
Hello.
Yo, no way. Dude, come take a look at this. What? Yo, dude, look at this. You show me. Bro. I know, right? It's insane. Bro, you're not Mexican. Oh my.
I'm a straight menace. We're gonna be doing a ding-dong ditch prank. All right, come on, let's go. Shoot, yo. Oh, go over there. I'm gonna go in here. Get out of my house! Get out!
What if you breathe through your ass? Day 1, you sit down and die. Follow for more random facts.
Yo, dude, how have you been?
Yo, bro, I got new friends. Come meet them. Yo, dude, what's good?
Oh, fuck no.
Yo, what the?
The polar bear cartel has been released. If you're not a polar bear, leave.
What the?
The polar bear cartel has been released. If you're not a polar bear, leave.
What? What the hell? Yo.
Wait, there's nothing in here? No, get that back, bro! Get that back! Yo! What are you doing? Bro!
I'm gonna play some my story. Do one with them. Gorilla Tag is not a game. We play it every day. Gorilla Tag, boom.
Yo, watch where you're going, nerd! What the fuck? Give me your lunch money! Give me this one! I'll give you my lunch money!
So, Bill, why did you, like, do that to him?
What'd you say to me, punk?
What's that noise? It's a little polar bear! Oh, you're so cute. Come here. Let me pet you.
And guess what? What? Ah! Yo, who wants to find me? Or all y'all too scared?
Yo, go ahead, bro,
I knew y'all were scared. Oh, Vlogstar, I know you, buddy. We may find the wars together, but boy. Oh my god!
Guys, who the fuck is he?
This guy!
better make sure to pick on someone outside.
Cornelius saves the president.
I'll reduce the jobs that are lost in the state of Animal Company, and we're gonna make Animal Company great again.
Hey! Get them with the president!
Bro, you're not a mimic. No! Here you go, bro. You need it. Oh, thank you so much, dude. Bro. What? Yo, dude, it's over here. Dude, wait up. Alright, dude, you ready to jump? I don't know about this, man. I mean, it seems pretty high. Please, dude, please. I've been begging you for months. Please, please. No, it's just, I don't think this is a good idea. Yeah, I don't know much about this, man. I think I'm just gonna take on my lead. Well, that's too bad. Well, I was never gonna go down anyway.
I'm gonna type every singular bad word in this Discord server. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Let's see what happens next.
Oh, nasty ass water. Oh, Coca. Wait there. Alright, let's check my Discord. Whoa. Jim Bob, F word, B word. Oh nah. I'm gonna nuke his house. Yup, that should be it. He's never touching my Discord server again.
Blah, 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 blah. No, I'm going to heaven.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets. Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious. Bro, it's just a game.
Cornelius, are you ready for blast off?
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
Hey, that was mine!
No.
Dude, I'm so excited for this new update. I mean, it's about to be lit.
Yo, what the?
Dude, they're over there. They're freaking over there.
I didn't do much burgers, man. What are you talking about, man?
Dude, the exit's right there.
You don't waste eyes. Oh, hold them up.
Dude, the exit's right there.
You don't waste eyes. Oh, hold them up.
You know what? Frick you.
Bro, come back! I didn't actually mean it! I can't hold him up on the stomach!
And here's our most prized possession, this $140 million gemstone. What? Why would you do that?
Hey guys, it's Lunar Moose, and I'd like to make a big announcement. What? My announcement is that I'm going to try to get as many content creators as I can to join a code on Friday at, I'd say, 3 p.m. Central Time. Now, I want to do this because I feel like it would be really fun, it it would be nice to hang out and just have fun with a bunch of famous content creators like UnkAC, PB&J, not that one, Egyptian AC, blah 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 blah. You get what I mean? But yeah, I will be releasing the code on my story on Friday around 3 p.m. Central Time, alright? But this is to you, all popular Animal Company content creators. Please DM me if you can, if you think I should reschedule, because I very much want to meet a bunch of you, and I also want to make sure that you're all able to join. So please DM me if you can, and that's really it. So that's my announcement. But have a great day, guys. Peace.
Yeah, can I borrow your guitar?
Please scan your item. Try again. Try again. Oh my god. Try again. Try again. Try again. Why are you doing this to me?
Which is better, the Apis Caliber or the Grim Staff? These weapons got introduced in the latest update, brought a version of the mining laser. So let's see which one is the best. So first off, the Grim Staff costs 5 switch points, and the Apis Caliber 5 too. The Apis Caliber. So that's when I realized there's no PvP. Alright. Oh. Finally! Both of the mining lasers actually took the same time since they took 2 recharges. Second test is a knockback. Alright. Okay. Okay, yeah, they're both the same. And for the final test, which one digs the fastest? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Okay, so here, both of these actually are a reskin. They're both the same. I just wasted 1 minute of time. But if I had to choose between those two, I would choose the Excalibur because it just, like, it looks better in my opinion.
Alright guys, so I want to say thank you for getting me to 100 followers. So yes, it is very laggy, and I will be exploding this hall. So in 3, 2, 1. It didn't even go off. So it's still not.
Alright, 1 bag of chips, that'll be $4.83. Oh, I think I have a coupon for that actually.
Alright, let's try this out. It's beautiful.
What the fuck?
Alright guys, finally here. Who's this guy?
Hey, come with me. Hey, come with me for a second. Come on. Hey, do you see that fucking view over there? Yeah. What's up?
Anyway, come on. Alright guys, ready? Ready? Let's go. Okay.
Oh shit! Oh
no!
What's up, guys? I just wanting to announce I got people to make skits with, so you start screaming into this thing. I would. It's just I don't want to. It's in pineapple AC. I'll put it up in the cup right here.
I think he got one shot at man.
Anyway,
no, he's still alive.
So come join the code. Me and skits.
Nah, bro.
Have fun. Don't grieve.
You really want to touch
So to see you there.
No.
Bye.
Are you definitely sure this pickup line is gonna work? Because I don't even know if it is. I mean, come on, bro. What's the worst that could happen? I mean, I've tried thousands of pickup lines. How are you sure this one's definitely gonna work? Dang it, dude.
No way, dude.
You know what? I think that's your whistle word, Mom. Whew. Alright. Anyway, as I was saying.
I'm just gonna go body. Poker stick. Yo, it's not even scary anymore, bro. Let it go. Poker stick ghost ain't even. Shit, poker stick. Hello, motherfucker.
You know, you just need to relax and stop overreacting.
Murdered this man.
Yes.
You tortured him.
Of course.
Ugh. Boy, that was a good one. Oh man, I've been holding in for too long. Get me in here. Oh, what the? Finally a normal lobby, bro. It's been too long.
Think fast, buddy. Oh, shoot, I didn't realize it was that bad. I mean, if you think about it, I mean, you should have been prepared for this, bro. It's in every lobby. I mean, why don't you just go on a different public lobby?
Hey! No! Beat down, coming here, boys! Put
Oh!